In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename, reorder, or color label accounts in Google Authenticator on desktop. Before we dive in, there's an important reality to understand. Google Authenticator doesn't have a native desktop app. That means anything you do on a computer relies on third-party desktop authenticators or browser extensions, and the features you get depend entirely on the tool you choose. If you're using a Chrome or browser-based authenticator extension, think tools like Authenticator Desktop or similar. The good news is that most of them let you add and manage multiple accounts in one place. In many of these tools, you can edit the account name so the label is clearer and easier to recognize. Look in the Entries menu or the Settings area for options like Edit or Rename. This is typically how you change the label that appears next to the code. Reordering is also commonly supported. In a lot of extensions, you can click and drag an entry to move it up or down the list. If drag and drop isn't available, check for small up and down arrows or a reorder option in the extension's interface. You'll usually find those controls in the same area where you edit or manage entries. Now, color labeling is a different story. Some desktop or browser tools provide organization features such as tags or folders, which can help you group accounts by project or purpose. However, per-account color coding isn't universally available. Many extensions don't offer colors at all, and those that do might handle it through tagging rather than true color labels. If color is important to you, open the extension's Settings or Help section and search for terms like color, tag, or theme to confirm what's supported. Because these features vary widely, the key is to explore the extension you're using. Open the extension, click the gear icon or three-dot menu, and look for options labeled Rename, Edit, Reorder, or Manage. You'll also typically see Delete for removing entries you no longer need. If something isn't obvious, check the extension's description page or documentation to see exactly which customization features it includes. To recap the desktop reality, renaming and reordering are commonly available in third-party authenticator extensions, tags or folders might be included, and color labels are not guaranteed. Since this functionality isn't provided by a Google Authenticator desktop app, your experience will depend on the specific extension you install and how its interface exposes these options. Explore those menus, try the drag and drop list if it's there, and use rename tools to keep your codes organized and easy to recognize.